Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use Microsoft Edge Game Assist. Before using Game Assist, ensure that you're running Windows 11, recommended for best results, and Game Bar is enabled. Press Windows plus G to check. Now, open Microsoft Edge and click on the three dots in the top right corner or press Alt plus F. Select Settings, then navigate to the Appearance tab. Scroll down to find Game Assist or Game Assist Preview. All you have to do now is click on the widget and then hit again Install Widget and wait for the installation. When it's done, you're gonna find that the Game Assist is activated. Now you're ready to use Game Assist for enhanced gaming experience because it's gonna help you run your games smoother on Windows 11. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.